It stretches out. It's adjustable, but it only covers. If you have long windows, this only covers the bottom of the top portion of it. That's not enough. Not only that, this is about $45 just for this. And if you have a lot of windows, that can be expensive. And it has screw holes on the side where you mount it to the frame of the window. But the problem with this is you're blocking your exit. And to have some customized bars made, it's going to be expensive. So I have an idea. I've done something similar with my windows in Miami. I remember a relative came to visit, and he said, it looks like everybody's behind bars in the city. Well, some cases it is that way. But to try to find something that's going to work where you can escape in case of fire or whatever disaster that may happen inside your home, you want to be able to have some type of latch or handle to open the bars and to escape. There are different selections at Home Depot that you could purchase. Some of them out on the outside cover the whole window. That's not good. Some of them out on the inside, no way to escape. You just drill them in. That's not good. You spend all the money for protection and you can't even get out in some cases. Skits, 2x4s that are in the skits, and some of the wood that are off the skits. 2x4, I have a 1x4 piece of plywood here, and some electrical poles. One long 10-foot pole is about $7. You cut it in half, so you have two of these to make 4 rods going across for this window, and this works out fine. So this is what I did. Okay, here I have some electrical conduit poles. This is 10 feet by 1/2 inch. You're going to need 2 of these to make 1 unit. Cut them up. And I have one 1x4 1x4x8 piece of plywood. And I have one 2x4. And you don't have to actually go and buy these 2 at all. You can take and use. You can take and get this material from these skits. You can use this piece for your top and bottom base, and this for you can pull these off for your bottom trim. So you don't have to buy this wood at all. It's up to you. Skits will work fine. 1, 2, 3, 4. You have 4 holes on each side, so you can put those. Put them down, and we're using a star bit. So the